last year I went into hospital. I had this thing called cellulitis, which is like a skin infection that turned into septicemia. So I got quite ill for a very long time. I was like bedridden for weeks and wasn't able to move. And I also got told I was pre-diabetic and all this stuff. And they said that if you try and lose weight, it will help with your condition. So I'd never really tried to lose weight before. I never really wanted to. Quite happy being fat, loved it. Especially when I went on TV and I get messages off people going, you should put down the bread. And every time they say that, I'd wake up over a toaster and I'd be like, little do they know, the more they attack, the bigger I become. Like, I loved being fat. I still am fat, like, I know that. But so when I went to hospital, I made an effort to lose weight, and I'm on those injections called Mounjaro, which is like, I'm not advertising it. I don't care whether people take it or not. I don't care if people want to lose weight or not lose weight, but I just don't want to pretend either that I'm doing it off plain hard work and water and exercise. Yeah, I'm doing that as well, but the injections help, you know?
Okay, but this was doctor's advice.
Yeah, the doctor's advice. But, you know, the best thing about losing weight is that I miss less buses now. Do you know, like, genuinely, before, when I was fatter, buses were like horoscopes. I was like, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. You know, they'll come to me or whatever. But now I can run after a bus more.